Hello, this is Mr. Willis, and I'm going to show you how to enter your data into a spreadsheet. So I have a spreadsheet here where I've already set up the column headers, and so I know my movie title is going to go here, and the worldwide box office, the money that movie made, is going to go over here. So I have to make sure that I'm filling in both columns. And I've got my data set over here on a side screen that you can't see right now that I'm looking off of. So first thing I'm going to do is just go ahead and type in Rogue One is the first movie I had. And here's how I like to do this in order to make things move a little more quickly. In order to move over here to the next cell that I want to fill out, I'm going to push the Tab key on my keyboard. And you see how it just jumps over there, one to the right. Now I'm going to fill in its number value for that one, which is 675 million, which means 3 zeros and another 3 zeros. It made a lot of money. Now what I'm going to do is, instead of hitting the Tab button, because I don't want to go over here to the right, I actually want to jump down here below Rogue One, I'm going to push the Enter key. And the computer kind of knows, since I've started over here and then moved over one, when I hit Enter, it knows not to just go straight down one, but to jump over here to kind of the start of my chart. So this way I can keep going back and forth and enter things rather quickly. So the next movie on my list is Suicide Squad, and they earned $745,600,000. And I'm gonna keep on going. I'll just do 2 or 3 more for right now, but if I were doing this for real, I'd fill out the entire thing. Fantastic Beasts, and where to, you know what, that's a super long title. I'm just going to keep it at Fantastic Beasts. Tab over, and that one got $746,100,000. Alright, so I got a few filled in, and just a couple things to keep an eye on here. If you're filling stuff in and you're seeing that the column is too narrow, remember something we talked about in a previous video where if you put your mouse right on the little dividing line between 2 columns, you can double click in order to automatically fill out, and what it's going to do is it's going to find the cell that has the longest entry, Fantastic Beasts in this case, and make all of them in that width so that you can see everything there. Now let's say you've got a crazy long title that it would be going way over here. You might not want to go that far. You might want to actually cut off your title or just manually grab over here to where it kind of cuts off the title a little bit, just so you can see everything that you need. Another little trick you might want to do once you're getting your data in, if you have a specific kind of number, like this over here, these are all actually dollars. And I can actually format them especially to be money. So here's what you do. You click on the top one, and I'm going to drag down. So I've selected all the numbers in this data set. And then I'm going to go to the word data. And, oops, sorry, I'm going to go to format. I was just one off there. I'm going to go to format and then number, and you'll see how there's a number of different kinds of numbers here. And in this case, I want to do currency. Okay, currency, and in fact I think I might do currency rounded, because I'm not worried about like all the way down to the nearest cents when we're talking, you know, movies that are making millions and billions of dollars. So I'll click that one, and you'll see just it's put the dollar sign, so it's actually kind of formatted them as money. Now depending on what you're doing, you may not have to do that, but that is something that can kind of help the overall look of your spreadsheet. So there you go.